Mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so ya de radio asese nenso wama ye hunu bie nkwa hoden ekura ye Jumadi na na ya hyase no ye di kan de kase no abro enoso ne etodwa mu bi ya wo betie ne IGP e de one petition court to say dum stop must stop demonstration wonya ye de honsam no ebebro na yakọ northern region so not mpanifo so won ho adwiri won mo pa se kumbungu ye wo ghost names bi wo honti OSP onfa sa report no mra no wonhwe eno ne sembi na no pay ye de browse Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 o YouTube Adom TV 2 kase no etwaguni djumadie ahodo medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsam ni kyeremu ankasa etie Omeyi post sahene Dr. George Akufu Dampare edenkrata akọ Accra High Court say woma dumso must stop womo demonstration waye ne say memenda 25th May wono beye no womo ntwaso munkyeremu Adom TV kase edeba.
We sent our response to the Ghana Police Service through the Accra PRO, that is a mess of being this morning. Later to hear that, I mean, just around about 1 hour ago, just to hear say IGP court seeking injunction to stop us from keeping the vigil. So we are even surprised that we don't know what they are up to. But what we initially decided, say, no Revolution Square, and a source will receive a release in ISA, a call, a chassis, University of Ghana near the BC. Yes, and that one came before this court demo. So I don't know what the place now. They are being coerced by government to be pushing us around, but they can't push us around. But see, you have a change of mind. You can't let our band say, convenience, the letter, but say, you change your mind, see, and at a different place. University of Ghana treated the Kwashi. You name the way no more because I let an Omonzaka. Me and I'm sending my police PR. So I don't know court no more condom. But anyway, we'll meet them at the court and we'll let Ghana know what we are about.
Northern Regional Coordinating Secretary Dema Ghana National Association of Teachers say Cosmos Enukwao ene wo say enhwehwemu ya ababeto edwase ghost names bi ewo ho a special prosecutor de aba na didi momo nsanka no hunu wontu ho anamo Adom TV etwaso
si nipa eni betumi asi na me ka say enhwehwemu mo hwem ye hu no kro bi a wo mu betumi asi ma say nipa de eden ya boni ebata nipa ho nti betumi abaso obi betumi criticize de no o say ye tigana ha ana ni mabi bitumi si a later bo ne be na anya no pre na be ne asem ko fodin nti once a bitumi a criticize de ndie meme de wo that kakra say no pre ne mo say no pre de a jumbi obi o mo mi na nkofo process kan ko bi mo na aban enji na yemfa anyi bi say de
and wachi owura Cosmos etwas we chire mu se wa maneboya OSP de betu dwa no egu achechefe wo man Ghana mu eho fimpa
edme so mo bisa omo ye na ebi omo bisa ye bi na mkata regional data no nyina na ye ankan so yin mi be kan na zi ase aban mbisa asani fu be bi na be pia ban ye basa na ase na ha de kakra ye be stress say ye bi bi musa e bia no ye di fi ase wo no na ya ye nnumenu bia bema ade no aye eba obi nso wa asem we die nkroje asem boni bia no na sesi am no kase kwa me kase kwa me doubt test asem we nkan e no pre so say on the same me share ga director na me na bi ko na onso aka kem se e no kran e no kran no fact me doubt say asem we mesi
majority ye womra shebedwa fiemu se enei dom kuma no ewo ho no ayo ho se wo mo beka bibia enimu bia de agu Ghana fo echimu se be ya wode begina no so wo ye nkunimdi fo wa fia bato no mu nenso wo mo bo anya dwuma wo ma babo ntia ba be kiremu nsem bia minority kan de fa wo mo ho no nkiremu a majority for de baye eni
ma ewo minority wo mo de subo bi boye se yen your majority ya mayen ye pieces at ya mayen slot of 30 ana nipa ediasa ye do wo mo airport security service na ɛyɛ yɛ nwanwa bebree efi sɛ saa allegation we ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a yɛn ne ankasa no yɛdwene ho a yɛnhunu baabi a wɔn ɛkɔfa saa asɛm yi baeɛ na ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a nokura biara anim na yɛhu ne sɛ ɛyɛ wɔapayɛ sɛ ɔmo kasa asɛm no ato aban no so.
Majority Chief Whip Frank Adom enso ekaseti a ensem a NDC amanyoko no ede aba betudwa se womo enam kwan bi so ede betwe omanfo akogu eye security service nim no.
Computation of 30 by assuming it is just our side. 30 by 138. What number does it come to? Clearly, it tells you on the face value that is clear propaganda. So please, let's, but we will still insist. Let's do that with the greatest respect. We will still challenge him as a minority leader that he should come out with the facts. Otherwise, we will probably also resort to some other means to prove him wrong. We are not happy about that. If that was their modus operandi, that is not how we operate.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasiano, so na Penifua, one more than PP and Disiano, was Sutifi South, Abaton Pesiano, so Wahaf Mantemo, say, and ne, limited voter registration exercise, and Asumdia Pejanimu Ewumua. Nanino ye District Security Council, no share with share party, and ma, and I say political parties, I want to work a sentina Sumbia Koswa. Adom TV, it was
for registration, no, yeah, DISEC, and I said DIPAC. Am I any political party since I didn't come? Am I yes, no, HRN, Mra, Oha, Afi, Edin Shorian from Wakem. Na nona Abuama, Menoka say, a TV South, Yenya Asum pa. Obia eko eba bechondi eko asumjimo. So they won't know where there is law, there is order, and democracy so thrives on law. Enti enona yedi aye adwuma enei civil south o ekase it used to be one of the flashpoints and so nei entesa
na no see and Zongo Caucus officer West Fi South NDC amanyoko nim Ishaku Yakubu editor opposifo anim say
the yes and say media decided to come say police for no ho no mo ye hihyefa o mu sika no twam mienu because me say na ya me ya enye mu da mo ba chime no obi nso ya mo ma no ho no mra no na asumdwe na daka kraka no asumdwe na nto aso.
Penny ya warrior kofari by the new force Nana Kwame bedia kwa dodo na friend cheda na washe boss Ghana Union of Traders Guta nyame ya Adom Ghana se yedi 2 minutes and se no be yam penny a wo behwe na eto bi ededa dane ma so nti ama adwadifo ebrema yen so ayeto ebre no abrasi Adom TV etwosi
enye nipa na ye taxi omuno ene bema eman no enya sika aka se ye nkobobosia biem na emom no ye dwuma ye bo nipa ombetimi a expand omo ho nti utie me ye a me ka kiro mo se taxes ne de I can't do much about it but what I can do ni se nkrofo no mokofa no money free omo ho no se omo ka se omo kwakoto machine na omo de yesa no money bi dia Ghana to industrialize our raw materials na omo de aye sa same product na omo tu kwan kofa na memo tax free now sha e chichire kwa e sikanya no mu anu no because the amount tax free na se many per thousand na so mu nyina sha se so mu produce wo Ghana ha sa sika no nyina na omudi tu kwan koma nkrofo abonten no e be sha ase aka krom ha nti e be ma economy na bumi e be ma nkrofo nso adwuma akoso e na e be ma nkrofo nso sikanya mu ayeye
enwachi Ghana Union of Traders editor just say enti say ya Nana Kwame bedi akodi ato wo no mu animu no ehye nkuran president a woda guta no Joseph Obey ensem say no de etudwa
ye de say aspirants ni na ba ye ni na obi ade atum say cost of doing business no esondo especially duty payment na ye wo kromia no and enti na dodo na no ka so mo de flat tax system ebebe bi so say mo de face tax system ba openi so ade atum say yeto na yetua no ɛso paa nti kwan biara no a onyakonya ɔbɛmena aba fam no nso no ɔbɛmena aba fam.
Liberia this year be 750 yana womo wo budumbura ma nananom atankonya wo hono mo edwiri won mo free ho ne ade ne ye de won mo eko won mo nchi bra Liberia mbeze ne Ghana ban ka won hu bom a wodi se djuma na Adom TV etwaso.
How they gonna people that cheat us? No, no good, so we no go come back. Why they go break our house? Why say somebody go sleep for our house, they go break them? Where we? Me? You see my brother like this. We will be Ghanaians by birth. You see we like this, we will be Ghanaians by birth. Yeah. But then break our houses, we don't get anywhere go. So what to go do? We go home. I tell you. Yeah. About the thing that these are Langa people show me. So if I cash in on my contract, go kill him. Make the whole world. Yeah. If I cash in Langa me in my country or I was a go kill him. I'll never come here again.
Our president is taking us from here, and we will not be back in Ghana. We are going to enjoy our country. We are having food, we are having rice. Thank you to our Liberia president. We love you. We are going to do good job in Liberia. Thank you.
Opinion no eneda Liberia for nationals ano Dennis Yoko enso ne Adom News in Central for etwetwe nkomo no won so edetudwa se abra na ye bu omo adan no Ghana ban ene aposifo entimi ama ameboa
6,169 persons. These are people that were living here. These are people the chief of Goma Federal made homeless. These are people the Langa beat in the street, looted their zinc, selling without intervention of any Ghana police. But today, see the police are giving an escort. No, we were disgraced yesterday. Today we are going to dignity. We are happy.
Yato Adom TV Kasiano Sona anti-smuggling task force. Ya wonjumedia no wodie ne se vegetable oil bia ye de ebo man Ghana mu no nenye nti won ne Adom TV ka ye hu bomu a sa nyumakuo ne yankronkro bia wo mo de ebeba man mu nyina no ye nsaka wo mo ayase sa anwa no ayesusuo se vegetable oils no na no nam so ama wo mo aba Adom TV abaso pa wadwumaso a ye toaso
Adom baby amo coverage ne wono ema ordinary person oye nwo krati asema cause ko Himai Trifo that area na Adom coverage no more. Eti omu yen eti mu contribution through the media. Sani Ghana for etimi hu asema ye kan ye hia se Ghana for beso emu. No man hu se made in Ghana niema na ye promote no. Ehu hia anase ye beto Ghana ade adi. Ana obi obefa ne kwati kwan se ono de ode niema beba ontu atase bema yen hu ana anwane boa ye den de. Se mo boy so emu se ne ma so emu every November besine no e ma Ghana for tesa asem na se a I think say udru ba bia no mo welcome and na ye pick intelligence cars bi alog anwa am di free to go eba eti ye ne customs head preventive collaborative sana do be 4 days in ye night to ye hwe say ye betimi answer ka sa ka no na customs for hwehwe adekuru wom eti as today no customs for nsaka ka na mo ama be hu sesio so far so good but actually ye cook mas no ye nim ne yesi ye e ma ne se enema no enkrofo di firi ba bi na eba na adan ne ye nchiom na ebeduru on ye mmom ne ye chiom eti enani mbehu ye ne kire se yasesa operations no ye hwe se ye behwe borders no na omom di volumes eba no oma handle om nti ye operational team a omo ye adwuma
e me dia manboy ebra Adom kase me din de Selasi Amo.
Kaya ye for best 5,000 dear and nay ye the one mo ba befa entity ye awodo mu a ye dwumadie for fry ye friend or Kaya ye empowerment program Adom kase etwaso.
It has been a long time in coming. The Kaya ye phenomenon is not new in Ghana. It's been there for many years. After looking at the plight of the Kaya ye's in 2019, when I visited Agbogboloshi, I made a promise on behalf of government that we would look at trying to address the Kaya phenomenon.
Eno danchen akwancherefo wada Youth Employment Agency ano Kofi Ba Japan enso e dia seda PSC e ma Alhaji Dr. Mamadou Baumia woni so ade hunu etese ya wode baaye ene echitai pa wasan editor chire e ma ne ye jojo ochira ebeboa pa amaka yefo asetena mu nso akoyie na afa ne ntoma pefra
okwa waye portal register so obaha the system is very transparent ewa ha say obaha you be register bibia be go through you must have a Ghana card because why your payments in ano there is no ghost name because of Ghana card annuity so we must capture you in our system.
Enwachi peni kwancherefo wada National Entrepreneurial Innovative Program NEIP ano Kofi Ofosun Kansa enso editudwa se na hweye no nso ede moa biara esese wode boa etete saa maba we ebeba se ne be ya akaye yefo nso so ebenya ho mfaso wenya ntete yepa ede amo abrabo.
From the National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program, partnership with our sister agencies on this project, through our trainers and other partners, we are going to ensure that we give our sisters life-changing skills which will change their status as job seekers to chief executive officers who can also employ others.
Entwaso na emaya womo edoko kwafuo wo Western North Mantemu ne wado ho agimu bia womo pete koko no so di nuro pete so sebe ye benyini kama na mfaso abaso
Adrike form yete say koko no yedua yentwam ne burofo efre no pununi enti omo abehwe maya yesa ntwitwamu no a yefre no pununi no abanya dawroma mayenuro officer behwe ye odi petrol p ye so sie ma medi sa adwuma na omo ba beduru ye no hwe nhire na abagu ye koko no ho a na eye ni so omo me twitwa ye koko no mo no ye hunu se awia ebo koko no mama nhire ni ababebre nti agric officer ne ba behwe ye mfuo no oma ye nuro sie di nuro no ka nhire ne na ebema koko aba no agina na ye bia boa ye ho na ye di bi so aboa ban.
Enwachi mpenifo bi a Efri Cocoa Health and Extension Division etu akuafo ifu sanhyehyɛ yi a efa ya asase ye ne ho ne nura wode bepete wono baye ne so nyina no oni so pepepe
Agric Extension officers ne wo hon afutuo bia onu omoye because omoye farm training omo be fom be farm practicals afutuo bia omode mo omo nkyerɛkyerɛ bia omode mo omo bia omo di so pepepe because edro no eboa yan edro no susu ya sanso ya wudro ti ya kana sen quantity na pepepe na yesi egunu dosage na ya di amayo mfa so 10 mils or 70 mils agunu so pepepe
abe koko ya nsa na egu ho no utimi say tons no ebetwam krama ye target ko ebetwam target no we am operation area ha no ma mo about be say 2000 hectares fu ejran na so
Bayina no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asie ye da se papa umre no adaje koso na hweyen na ne yentena yentwe ho ba sima mienu yimra na fe de de bonkrata na ka online de na afa akonya ne banso bebie yen lines na tum ye no wakasa twen yesisie ye kwaba